Today we're making a delicious Mexican brown rice bowl. As always, the ingredients will be in the description, so let's get into it. We'll begin by washing 1 cup of brown rice and adding it to a rice cooker. Next, you'll add all of your dry seasonings into the rice cooker. Once again, the ingredients are all in the description, but I'll add them to the screen so you can pause and save yourself some time. After you add your dry seasonings, add 2 cups of water, give it a quick stir to mix everything, set the rice cooker, and let it do what it does best. Next, we'll season our steak with salt and pepper. The longer you allow the salt to rest on the steak, the more moisture it draws out, which leads to a better crust. We'll pat dry the steak to remove any remaining moisture. Now you can add any steak seasoning of your choice for a little extra flavor. Heat your pan or cast iron on high for a few minutes, then you can add your high smoke point oil. We'll place our steak on the cast iron and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. A tip for cooking steak is to use a thermometer. Doing the little palm test, it's just not that accurate. We're aiming for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. After you've allowed your steak to rest for 5 minutes, you can begin slicing. After your steak is sliced, we'll move on to the preparation of the bowl. Start with black beans, add some corn, do some tomatoes, avocado slices in, a squeeze of lime juice right on top, add your steak, jalapeños on top if you like it spicy, sprinkle in those red onions for a little extra flavor, cilantro right on top as a garnish, a little bit of color, and for that signature Mexican taste. And that's it, guys. We're done with our bowl. Thanks for watching. Also, I would like to give a warm welcome to all of the new subscribers we've had over the last few days. We started this channel a few weeks ago, and we're still trying to figure out how to navigate through the whole YouTube thing. So thanks for stopping by, thanks for sticking with us, and we'll see you on the next.